Y'all, so I'm getting ready to make some roasted red potatoes. This is definitely my guilty pleasure. I love potatoes, y'all. I know I shouldn't be eating this, but I love them. I don't have them all the time, so I'm gonna make some today. So I just seasoned them up with some smoked paprika, garlic powder, olive oil, and I used some adobo and then some parsley. And I'm gonna pop these in the oven, and then I'm gonna have a piece of salmon with it. I would have had asparagus with it, but I ate that for lunch. I had some asparagus and mushrooms for lunch, so I guess I'll just do this because I don't have any broccoli. I don't have any. Well, I guess I could have a little salad on the side too. But yeah, this will be my dinner for tonight. I'm so excited. Here's dinner. So I have my salad, my roasted potatoes, and my salmon. And I'm gonna just use some Caesar dressing for my salad, and this will be dinner. So I'm trying to start eating before 7:30 every day. So it is 6 o'clock and I'm having my dinner. So this should be pretty filling, and hopefully I won't go for any snacks, but I do have that grapefruit and stuff in there. So if I get hungry again tonight, later on tonight, I'll just eat some fruit. But this is dinner. Hey y'all, happy Friday. So Tony did another store run, so I'm gonna do a grocery store haul really quick. So we just picked up a few things, not that much. Kale, pecan, cranberry salad kit, Asian salad kit, Florida seasoning, lobster tails, shrimp, king crab, spring salad, Brussels sprouts, shredded iceberg lettuce, grilled chicken breast strips, crawfish, frosted mini wheats, honey bunches of oats, House of Outre seafood seasoning breading. This is the seafood breading that I use. I know a lot of people ask me, and this is the one we use. Thousand Island dressing, hand soap, tortilla bowls, Smart Balance butter, peach schnapps, margarita mix, snow crab legs, shrimp. And then here is all the vegetables that we got today. I already washed them off. So we have some broccoli, asparagus, lemons, limes, oranges, tomatoes, and plums. Some cucumbers down there, and bell pepper. Oh, and tomatoes. So yeah, that is our quick little grocery store haul. Good morning, happy Saturday. I'm gonna do a face mask this morning. So I don't know which one I want to do. Oh, y'all, this one is like my favorite. Indian Turmeric 2-step peel plus mask. So it has like this little cleaning mask right here just to exfoliate your skin first and then put the mask on. I bought this from Walmart for about, I want to say like $2, but I love this. It's for hydrating. So if y'all can get y'all hands on one of these, get it, because it's bomb. But my favorite mask, which I probably used all of them, oh, I probably got one more, is the Dr. Jart. I love Dr. Jart Masks. So I picked these up from TJ Maxx. They sell them at Ulta, Sephora, but I found these at TJ Maxx, and sometimes Home Goods have them. So yeah, they're like $14.99 at TJ Maxx. So this one is my favorite, but this is probably like the last one that I have, so I'm gonna save that one. And I think I might do a pedicure tonight too. So I have these little lip masks. I have so many masks, y'all. I need to find something to put them in because this little container is ugly. Here's my little foot mask. I'll probably do one of these tonight. And I also picked this up from TJ Maxx. I think it was like 4 or 5 in a pack. And they leave your feet feeling very soft. So, love this. So, I'm going to keep this one out. I'm burning my Relax candle. It's the scent Mandarin and Mint. It smells really good. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby a while ago. And I just found this one up under my bathroom sink. So, yeah, I like to burn this in my bathroom because y'all know I like try to have some little spa vibes going on in my bathroom. This is my bathroom if you guys have never seen my bathroom. Yeah, I'm getting ready to do this mask and make myself some tea. So this is the first part. This is the little exfoliating pad. And it's just a little thicker than the face mask. And you just put your fingers in. It looks sort of like my little face scrubber that I have. Let me show y'all. This is my exfoliating pad. I found this at TJ Maxx. It's so cute and it works really good. So this is what I use to exfoliate my skin. And this is the pad that comes in with the mask. So. So I have my mask on. I know I look crazy, but you're supposed to keep this on for 15 minutes. Let me see. Yeah, 15 minutes. So it feels so good, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix myself some tea. And I might just sit on the porch and relax a little bit. So happy Saturday. Y'all, look what I'm having for lunch. Love that chicken from Popeyes. We got the spicy chicken sandwiches from Popeyes today for lunch, y'all. I can't wait. Tony, can you turn it down a little bit real quick? Alright, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go to the nail salon, but I promised you guys that I would show you how I do my bottom lashes. A lot of y'all think that my bottom lashes are fake, but they're real. So y'all know that I'm not a makeup guru, so I don't know how to like get the perfect shot, but I'm gonna try to get my camera as close as I can, and then I'll show you guys how I do my bottom lashes. So let me pull the camera in. So you want to just make sure, if you wear the top lashes, you want to just make sure that you don't have any glue on your bottom lashes. This looks so weird. I know, y'all, this is a weird angle. My husband's watching the draft, so okay. And I'm just gonna do one eye. So I have my mascara, and I use the Maybelline Very Black. Alright, so this is hard for me to do right here. Go here, that's one. I need like a mirror. I don't have a mirror in here. Okay, so that's the first one. Then you go to the next group. Here. The next. Here. You just space them out. Here. The next. Here. And the next. And they should look something like this. Can y'all see that? And then you just go over it a second time, depending on how thick you want them. We're here, guys. We're at the nail salon. We're gonna go with this, this is the quarantine salon, correct. We're gonna go with this LA color. What's the name of this? I don't know the name of this, but y'all know Tony picked this color out. What is the name of it? I don't know. It is color 372, the nude color. So that's the color that we're going with today. I have my OPI clear polish, and I'm gonna go ahead and polish my nails. So let's get started. That little Okay, wash your hands now. I always start with the ring finger first. I don't know why.